Today's daily message is to have gratitude. Be grateful for what you have and don't worry about what you don't have. You'll get it eventually if it's good for you. Till then, roll the intro.
You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to talk about 5 things you should know before you start an online degree. So why am I making this video? Okay, just a little background. I am a computer science student doing my degree from University of London. I wanted to make this video for all the people who are thinking of doing an online degree from any other university, because they all work the same way essentially. But when I started, I didn't have the information that I needed, and now after spending a whole year, I know a lot of things that I think is gonna be useful for a lot of people. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing, enrollment. It's really easy. The only thing you need to do at first is to sign up at Coursera. Go on to their page, search for online degrees there at the search option, and then you would see all of these degrees offered by University of London, University of Illinois, and many other universities. You click on one, you go onto the support page. They might have an email. The one which I applied, they had email, so we have to contact them through email. They'll tell us about everything that we need to know and how we have to register ourselves in the university. Or second thing you can do is finding an institute. You can find many institutes, maybe many or less, whatever the case it is for you, but I was able to find an institute for applying the university, and it was really easy because they handled everything. I had to give them my credentials and everything they asked for. So what you can do is, if you find an institute, it's easier that way to apply to an online university. So you don't have to worry about all the things messing up or going on the portal or emailing them and everything regarding the process. So, the most interesting part for every student, studying. How do you study? You'll have access to online resources on Coursera, which will be pre-recorded videos, and you'll have access to the online library from where you can download all the ebooks and you can read them. And you'll have access to Slack too, so you'll be part of a larger community where you can interact with other students. But if you're part of a certified institute, you'll have access to the on-campus teachers, which will be taking on-campus classes, which means you'll have a university type experience, while you will also have the access to the online material that's available on Coursera. So you'll be having 2 of the things available for you, which makes it easier if you get stuck at any point while studying. So, time and subject flexibility. I'm going to combine these 2 points because they're linked. So the time it takes, minimum is 3 years and the maximum 6 years. And how is that? You have a maximum of 8 subjects per year. So you can take about 4 subjects per semester, and that's fixed. Or you can take either 1 or 2. So you have to complete a degree either in 3 years or in 6 years. It depends on you. If you're a person who is doing a job, it's recommended that you take only 2 subjects because you have to give them full attention, and it's easier for you to do that. But if you're a student, it's easier for you to manage 4 subjects, so get over with it in 3 years. Or you can take a break in between, a semester break, not a year break, a semester break in between, and then you can move on if you want to. But the thing is that you have a lot of choices. The only thing that you don't have is the elective subjects, such as like people take chemistry or physics while doing computer science, or any other subject that is not related to that major that you're doing. So you don't have that. The only subjects that are available are related to your major, so you can't change anything. So you have to take all of those major subjects. So fees is pretty straightforward. It depends on where you live. You don't get any scholarship though. There's 0 scholarship, but there is a way to get scholarship that I will talk later. But if you are from a first world country, you're gonna pay more than the person living in a third world country. For that, you'll go to the Coursera again, and then they have the file or the amount for each country. And if you want to get scholarship, if you are with an institute, most probably if you get good grades in your semester, they're gonna give you some scholarship, and the amount divides. Let's suppose giving £1,000 per subject, and if you're with an institute, you're gonna give £500 Now this is just an estimated amount. It's gonna be different for everyone. So you're gonna give £500 to the University of London, and then you would be paying other half that you were supposed to pay University of London to the institute. Now it depends. If you get good grades, you might get scholarship on the amount you're giving to the institute. So in my case, I got a scholarship on the amount that I had to give to the institute, and that way I was able to save some money there. Well, that's everything that you should know about an online degree, and I'll be making a follow-up video on how my life is and how exams take place and how easy or how hard it is while I do this degree. Till then, take care, have fun, and bye-bye.